Today I'm going to show you a Chanel alternative for tweed bags. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very exciting unboxing. This is my last unboxing for the year and I am very grateful that I was able to get all in my wish list that are of priority to me. This year has been a very blessed year and thank you so much for being here again and watching this unboxing. On this video, I will show you the best tweed bags that you can buy out there. I have two bags to reveal. I got them on a very good price. Even if it's not on sale, the price is still very good and very competitive. But I got mine on sale and this could be an alternative to Chanel tweed. So I don't have to spend a lot of money, but I still get the look. They are just the most adorable and the best price out there. The quality is also great. I bought these two bags separately, one from Bloomingdale's and one from Nordstrom. And yes, I cannot wait. This is just so adorable. Here she goes. So cute. This is a Geiger or Geiger. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but yeah, this is such a very beautiful bag. You don't have to spend a lot of money, thousands of dollars for a tweed bag because it's a very delicate material. It could easily snag, and yes, I would cry if I spend that huge money and then see my bag snag. So this would be a great alternative to that. And I got this on sale, so even if the price is not on sale, it's still acceptable because they don't ask too much for their bags. So I've been liking this brand, and if you've seen my other unboxing for the small one, now I have like a medium size. How cute is she? She's so adorable. Wow, I like this logo, bird's head, and it has the thing in the back. So beautiful. You can wear this as a crossbody, and it has like a Himalayan style emboss as a top handle with all these adorable bubbles, gold bubbles on the handle. Kind of look like Valentino. But yeah, it's a combination of Valentino, Chanel, and I don't know what else, but it is just amazing. I really love it. I'm very excited. So this is going to be a very good one. I could wear this during the winter, summer, and I think all year long. So yeah, let's check the second one right here. So cannot wait. I love all my bags, expensive or not expensive. I really take good care of them. I don't think I would ever get those Chanel tweed bags. They're just really too expensive, and this tweed are just fun bags. You don't have to spend a lot of money on them, and this could just do the job. Look at her, she's so pretty. Oh, I love. Yeah, and it has like two compartments inside, so I'll make a separate video to show you the details of these bags, but today is just the reveal and unboxing. Oh gosh, this is such a darling, and I cannot believe how much I paid for this. I have these two items to show you. One is a little pouch with the strap. It's from Egypt. My client gave this to me and she went to Egypt just before the lockdown, and yes, I just received this. Such a cutie. So received this nice Egyptian decor. I think I could put this in the wall on a frame.
This was from my Orthodox Egyptian priest client. It's so coincidental. Beautiful. I think it seems like it's made out of wood paper. They look very nice. And the crucifix, and this one, and the other side is this beautiful.
And also, I bought this in Amazon. I only paid, I think, $15. They have the best quality. I know some people, they sell this at a very high price. Yes, I don't think you need to spend that money. It's just a fun little pair, and they are not real. Let's try this on. So look at her. She's so stunning. Let me show you closely. How stunning is she? Beautiful. And that's the handle of the bag. It's so pretty. I'm very pleased with these two bags in my collection. This year has been a great year for me. I feel so blessed, and I thank you all for continuing to watch me and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't yet already, I hope you will, because I have more to come. Thank you so much, and have a good day wherever you are. Enjoy your holidays. I love you.